Hey guys, what's up? I'm Robert from Fly Video. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to tell you a few things about drones and microSD cards. Come with me. Okay, so we had a lot of discussions in a lot of drone groups, DJI and Autel as well, about microSD cards, about which one is better, which one is faster, is it enough, about megabits and megabytes, and V30, V60, V90, U3, U1, what those signs mean, and stuff like that. And I thought it would be best to make a short video about this topic instead of arguing about this day by day. And so I can post this, for learning purposes and explanation purposes. So I'll tell you almost all things about those tiny signs and numbers written on those tiny cards. So let's begin. First of all, microSD, HC, microSD XC. Size does matter. So the smallest one, a simple microSD, it's not bigger than 2 gigabytes. You will not find any these days, and you will definitely not use any of these. So let's just forget about it. microSD HC is the bigger brother of the first one. It's between 2 gigabytes and 32 gigabytes. So it's HC means high capacity. Nice English. microSD XC means extra large capacity, and it's bigger than 32 gigabytes. That's it. So next up is class. Class 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Usually it's 10, C10. It means write speed. It's the minimum write speed of the card in megabytes per second. So when we are talking about a class 10 card, it means that it has a minimum write speed of 10 megabytes per second. And talking about megabytes and megabits, let's just clear this up because it can be a bit confusing. 1 megabyte equals 8 megabits. So 10 megabytes per second equals 80 megabits per second. Sorry. So as you can see, a class 10 card is more than enough for a Mavic Mini 1 or even a Mavic Pro, because Mavic Mini 1 has a maximum write speed of 40 megabits per second, and Mavic Pro 1 has a maximum write speed of 60 megabits per second. So a class 10 card is enough for them. To get even more confused, here comes the sign U, U1, U3. It also means write speed, minimum write speed, but it's counted differently. U1 equals 10 megabytes per second write speed, minimum write speed, and U3 equals, you can guess, 30 megabytes per second. And there isn't a U2 card. No, I don't know, it's maybe because of the band, or I don't know. Okay, here comes V. The sign V, V30, V60, V90. It's speed again, but counted differently. It means, V30 means minimum write speed of 30 megabytes per second. So V60 means the minimum write speed of 60 megabytes per second. Megabytes, okay? Don't forget the difference between megabytes and megabits. They're not the same by far. Sometimes we have one more sign. It's an A1 or A2 sign on the microSD cards. It It's basically for application speeds and stuff like that. So it's mainly for mobile phones, and so we don't care about that. We droners don't care about that too much. So let's just forget about it. And here comes the big question: which microSD card should you choose for your drone? There are two answers for that. One, you can have a look at your drone's specs and see what's your drone's maximum write speed, and you have to choose a microSD card which has a higher minimum write speed than your drone's maximum write speed. You know, convert megabytes to megabits, megabits to megabytes, and you'll see which card can handle your drone's write speed. Answer number two. Buy the SanDisk Extreme V30 32 gigabytes or above. It is perfect for any of your drones, DJI or Autel, it doesn't matter. Today the highest bitrate drone is the newest one, the DJI's newest one, the Air 2S. It has a 150 megabits per second write speed, and if you convert that to megabytes per second, it's 18.75 megabytes per second. A V30 card, any quality V30 card, especially the SanDisk Extreme V30, can handle easily 18.75 megabytes per second because it has a minimum write speed of 30 megabytes per second. So you don't need any more. You don't need anything else. A V60 or V90 card. What for? Well, you're copying the files to your PC or Mac will be faster a bit. Okay, I can admit that. But your drone doesn't need any more than a SanDisk Extreme V30. That's it. It's good for any Autel, any DJI drones on the consumer market now. Any. So once again, forget about resolution, forget about 4K, 6K, 8K. They sound big, I know, but don't care about that. It's all about write speed, it's all about bit rate. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope I've managed to clear this up a bit, and I hope to see you next time guys as well. So if you like this one, hit subscribe and like, and thanks again. Bye.